Good morning. This is Justin with Goodland Plumbing. Today's date is Friday, October 3rd, 2025. Right now it's about 8:30 a.m. We're here at 255 9 Puesta del Sol for the Santa Barbara Museum of Natural History. We've been out here the past couple of days doing some hydrojetting of the sewer and some area drains around the property. Right now we are continuing to camera and hydrojet the sewer drain just outside the men's and women's restroom. This line is running kind of down through the auditorium, kind of running the length of it along the whale. As we get kind of towards the end of the whale, we tie in here to what we believe is their city connection. This is after Kevin had informed us and showed us a map. He said this is as far out as he wants to take it, and he believes from this point out is the city. So we are here about 120 feet out at our connection from our clean out outside the men's restroom. We're going to go ahead and pull back against flow towards our clean out, and then we are actually going to hop downstream to an ABS clean out just before this point in the line, where we are going to try to jet upstream towards the cleanout we're currently cameraing from and rake back any debris and muck. As we come around this connection point, you can see we have real heavy buildup of calcification and debris in this section of the line. Right here at about 117 is going to be our two-way cleanout located in the planter bed along the auditorium and whale exhibit. Going back through this section of ABS, we're coming through a pretty good valley in the pipe. I think this is due to heavy calcification buildup in the line. Right here, about 112 feet, we're transitioning from ABS to cast iron. As we pull back through this cast iron, this valley just continues. Right here, about 77 feet out, I believe we are going to have possible ADA restroom tie-in. As we pull back here, you can see it looks like the cast iron is possibly swelling a little bit more in this section. Still pretty rough. We still have that valley at the bottom. Right here, 48 feet out. It's hard to say if this might be possibly something tying in, or maybe this is a possible section top of the pipe missing. Another time right here at 45. Another tie-in right here around 29. We'll come around a slight change in direction as we start pulling back towards our clean out, kind of from the middle of the courtyard area, I believe. So we're coming up out of the line, a little bit of soap covering the lens. So right here is our one-way clean out. This is outside the men's restroom. Women's restroom is just downstream. This line, I believe, is running through the auditorium, and then tying in at that clean out, kind of in this zone, kind of in the planter bed, if we were going to go through the auditorium this way. We are going to, like I said, hop downstream, tie jetting upstream to this point, and clearing back a lot of debris and mud. Afterwards, we'll attempt to take a post-jetting recording in the video.